Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your personal data with Zions Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your personal data with Zions Bank, start by visiting the official Zions Bank website. Look for the personal banking section on the homepage. Click on the online banking or mobile banking option. If you don't have an account yet, click sign up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information securely. Make sure to create a strong and unique password for your account. Once your account is set up, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your online banking. To do this, navigate to the Settings or Security section in your account. Follow the instructions to link your phone number or email for verification. Regularly monitor your account for any unauthorized transactions. Immediately report any suspicious activity to Zions Bank customer service. Keep your software, including your browser and operating system, up to date. Use antivirus software to protect your device from malware. When accessing your bank account, always use a secure internet connection. Avoid public Wi-Fi networks for banking transactions to reduce risks. Log out of your account after each session, especially on shared devices. Be cautious of phishing emails or texts that ask for personal information. Always verify the sender's email address before clicking on any links. Educate yourself about common scams and identity theft tactics. Consider setting up alerts for specific transactions or account changes. Review your financial statements regularly to ensure accuracy. By following these steps, you can enhance your personal data protection with Zions Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.